Is this meant to be used regularly to update things or more just once to seed the assets? So, this is asking specifically about Data Manager and whether or not it's meant to kind of import assets regularly, cleanse assets regularly, and then get them over to assets on a regular basis or like a one time thing. I would say it could be both. You could definitely do it once, but really, Data Manager was meant to be an ongoing sort of implementation, right? If you think of a large organization that has maybe thousands of laptops across Intune and Okta and Defender and whatever else, Jamf, for example, you would probably want that data to be relatively up to date. And when you have thousands of people and hardware, that probably changes relatively quick. So you'd probably do maybe weekly, maybe even daily an import like that. But it is definitely meant to be used regularly to update assets. But if you wanted to just do it once, you could absolutely do that as well. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.